Okay, good day everyone. Today, I will be presenting about empowerment technology, also known as ETH. This subject focuses on the use of technology in empowering people, especially in communication, collaboration, and productivity in the digital world. Empowerment technology refers to the use of ICT to improve learning, communication, and problem solving. It helps us gain digital skills and prepares us for future career where technology plays an important role. E-tech is important because it enhances how we live, study, and work. It develops our digital literacy, enables us to collaborate with others, and provide access to unlimited information and resources online. Information and communication technology, or in short, ICT, is part of our everyday life from using social media, online learning platforms, and productivity tools like Word and Excel. Also, ICT helps us communicate better and accomplish tasks faster. eTech introduces us to different online platforms and applications. Example include social media networks and communication cloud storage like Google Drive or file sharing, and online collaborations like Google Docs and Microsoft Teams. Productivity tools are applications that helps us create documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and multimedia content. These tools empower us to express ideas clearly and professionally, which is very useful in school and in the workplace. In using e-tech, we also learn the importance of online ethics and etiquette. This means being responsible digital citizens, showing respect, avoiding plagiarism, protecting privacy, and using technology for positive purposes. Another part of e-tech is that we must learn how to protect ourselves from online threats like scam, viruses, and identity theft. Simple habits like strong passwords and not sharing personal info are important. Empowerment technology continues to shape the future with constant innovation. We can expect more advanced tools for learning online businesses and opportunities and improved ways of connecting with people worldwide. To conclude, empowerment technology, it gives us the knowledge and skills to thrive in the digital age. It empowers us to communicate, create, and collaborate effectively. With the right use of technology, we can become responsible and innovative individuals prepared for the future.